How's it going? I'm Ryan. Today I'm going to go over the one trade that I took on ES. I took a long. It was a winner. Feel like we kind of got in at the very end of this move, but we were able to capture a piece of it regardless. I'll go over why I took that trade, and then yeah, we'll take a look at both NQ and ES. So coming into the day, we'll start with NQ and we'll go over ES. NQ and ES, we both had a move higher off of Friday lows over the after hours in the pre-market session. We started to trend higher. We were within this pre-market range, and that pre-market high was pretty much right at the previous day high, Friday's high. So on NQ, what I wanted to see, well, on both of them, for a move up, I wanted to see a break above and hold above this range. ES, similar thing, right? Pre-market high and previous day high were pretty much similar. We had a downtrending day on Friday. We've recovered off those lows, and then we've started to make higher highs, higher lows in that short, intermediate time. When the market opened, we were really bullish. Both NQ and ES broke higher and just ran straight up without any sort of pullback. Looked very similar. When we finally did get a pullback, it was not much. So after a run like this, generally when we go straight parabolic vertical, I'm expecting us to get some sort of pullback. We kind of got it on NQ. Really what I was looking to is at least a pullback to the 13 EMA on the 2-minute here. We got it on both of them. And the reason why I entered ES though is I just liked ES's chart a little bit better. ES got a little bit more of a pullback, and then it also had this like little consolidation at this level that I had, right? We had previous high, pull back, hold this level, new highs. Then we pull back and we test the EMA. It's also testing exactly where that previous high was. So we hit it, held it, and I entered right here, right at the EMA. Entered there at 32 was my entry. Stop loss was 28, so 4-point stop. My first target was just about 6 points. It was just under high a day here at 38. So about 6 points take profit, 4 points stop loss. That's just a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward, so pretty decent. Then I had 2 runners, so I took 10 contracts per account. Right, excuse me, I took 12 contracts per account. My first trim was 10 contracts. I have 2 remaining runners. One of my runners I took off on the break of high a day right here, and then my next runner was scheduled to be taken at this next level up here at 345. So I was really just looking for us to make this move up to this next level. My stop loss initially was set to break even, and then I just kind of started to trail upwards with the EMA as we started to make higher highs and higher lows. So I just kind of trailed with my stop and kept my take profit at that next level up there at 345. We did not hit that level. So basically what I was watching is if we continue to make new highs, right? We got a new high, pulled back, got a new high, pulled back, got a slightly newer high, pulled back, failed to get a new high, and then you see us lose that EMA as well. So I think we're going to get a little bit bigger of a pullback with such a big run up. It seems like some of this buying momentum is starting to die up here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us pull back maybe down to this level or you know, maybe a little further, and see if we can't set a low if we want to continue up, or maybe we reverse, or maybe we chop, who knows. But that's it. Really I just looked for a quick move, returning to new highs, returning to old highs, new highs, and this was risking off of this candle basically that held the EMA on pullback. I liked ES a little bit better. I'm glad I took ES because it actually made new highs, whereas NQ did not. Off that pullback, NQ did not break the high a day. So NQ was a little bit weaker up here. ES actually presented a little bit better opportunity. So I'm glad when I was deciding between them, I chose the right one on that. That's it. That's really it. One and done. Let's talk about. We are up $333, just about $334 on these accounts. Yep. Just under 1,000, or excuse me, just under 2,000, about 1,900 in profit on these two individually. So we lost one of the PAs yesterday, or not yesterday, Friday. I made the mistake and I thought I was copy trading and I wasn't, and I took like 18 contracts with a single account, and I took a like $1,200 loss on a single trade. At that point, I'm not gonna lie, off stream I just kind of YOLO'd that account to see if I could bring it back because it was so far down and we lost it. So you know that's why I don't YOLO accounts. But also it got down in the gutter bad because I made mistakes on consecutive days, with a loss limit triggering, with not copy trading thinking I was, and oversizing by 3x. We made some mistakes on that account and it suffered. So it's really a bummer. It was doing all right before I made all those mistakes, and then to just shelf it like that sucks. But we have 2 out of our 3 accounts are still going really strong. These accounts I have not made those mistakes with, and they are cranking. Just 9 days of trading up about 2K. So there's that push up to that level I wanted to see. Funny they did it after stopping me out. That's fun. Yeah, that's really it. Quick and easy today. We'll see. We'll try to be around this whole week, but like I said, we're gonna be in a much different time zone. I'm gonna be trading off my laptop, so we'll see if we can get it all together there. That's all I got. Thank you for watching. I'll be back sometime this week. I'll be trading live this week. Maybe just not tomorrow because I have a late flight, but I'll be trading this week. Trying to continue to get closer to that payout. We're about $700 away. $700, and we're taking money out. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, take it easy. Boosh.